Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have this anvil on it that isn't TNT based like the last one. So if we flip this, like push this button, uh, it'll get launched like a few blocks away. Let's push it again. Yep. So I don't know the volume of this. It's like 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which is like, what, 36? Yeah, 36 blocks. So, if there's, you can just like copy this design. Simple. Just a few like observers like here. And then observer, a copper observer piston. Anyways, I really hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe and I'll see you like tomorrow.